Nothing fancy, just delicious, juicy chicken skewers. This is how I keep chicken skewers from drying out. Buttermilk marinade. Add chicken, mix well to coat, chill for minimum 2 hours. Slice 2 zucchinis into ribbons using a veggie peeler. Sprinkle with sea salt and leave to soften for 20 minutes. Make a quick yogurt sauce. Alternately thread zucchini ribbons and marinated chicken. Grill or pan fry for 15 minutes until golden and cook through. Serve with yogurt sauce. Juicy, tender, smoky and fresh. Delicious! Enjoy!